So what was their answer? No? In their answer, the respondents raised essentially similar defenses, contending in essence that they had been in possession of the subject properties for more than 30 years. Petitioners never actually possessed the said parcels of land and that they never had title over the same. Thus, petitioners' claim would be in conflict with and inferior to the respondent's claim of possession. So after the issues were joined, trial ensued. When you say the issues were joined, meaning this is the point in a case where nakatubag na, no? The parties were already able to answer the complaint. Usually, there would be a reply from the parties who initiated the suit. Then at that point, the issues would be joined. If there was no reply, then after the answer, the issues could be considered joined already. Because at that point, you would know if there are factual issues or legal issues in a case. Because if the answer admits everything in the complaint with respect to the facts, then there could be no factual issues. The court can just immediately decide on the case based on the law. Because trial is about threshing out the factual issues. It is about deciding which story is true, especially if there are different versions of the story. Okay. So the municipal court issued a decision, an omnibus judgment, in favor of the petitioners. Let's read the decision of the municipal court. This is the first level court. Wherefore, premises considered, judgment is hereby rendered in favor of the plaintiffs, the heirs, represented by the attorney in fact, against the defendants. Okay. So the defendants and all those claiming rights under them to vacate the premises of the lots respectively occupied by them. So gipapahawa sila. They were ordered by the first level court to vacate the property and to remove their improvements from the premises and restore possession to the plaintiffs. The defendant, one of the defendants, were ordered to pay the plaintiffs a monthly compensation of X amount for the use of the property occupied by her, computed from the time of filing of the complaint until she vacates the property. So there were other defendants here where they were ordered to pay the plaintiffs a monthly compensation. So basically, moras lagi pa rent sa property. But it will be for the use of the property computed from the time of the filing of the complaint until he or she vacates the property. It is not from the time when they actually occupy the property or when they started to occupy the property. It will be from the time that the complaint was filed. Okay, so ordered. The municipal court or the first level court held that an earlier case for action reivindicatoria, okay, dili reinvin ha, reivindicatoria. So decided by the court of first instance or the regional trial court and affirmed by the Court of Appeals became final and executory. Herein, the petitioners in the Supreme Court proceeding were declared the true and lawful co-owners of the subject properties. On the other hand, evidence showed that respondents were mere intruders on the lots in question. So this is a very favorable decision, no? But let's see, what else do we need to know about this case and what else we can learn about this case, okay? So for our new viewers, so this is our co-learning channel, related lang sa property. Okay? So this is our co-learning channel and you have updates 2025, ha? This is our favor, no, that we ask from our viewers or listeners. Pero send mo link related lang sa ani nga topics. Ayaw ng mga lahi nga topics, dili man na mo yato ang hilig. That is not our interest sa ani nga channel. Ako hilig kani nga mga areas of law, diri man nato ang practice. So diri lang pod ayaw ta sa kita link nga sa lahi gikan nga topic, no. Also no? Mo ni atong advocacy. So join us. If you send us more links sa updates, it would help us with our pursuit, our advocacy, no, to avoid land disputes. And if you're already part of any land dispute, you can choose peaceful ways, peaceful means, and peaceful ending to a land dispute that you are part of or about to be part of. So this is my email or contact number sa WhatsApp and Viber. Send link, no? Ayaw po ng taas kayo. Link lang, gov.ph website. So I'll see you in the next video and let's see what else we can learn from this decision. Okay?